Guys, in this video we're going to take this Hobao Hyper VS out for a little rip. So we're running a Hobbywing Max 8 combo, 2200 kV, running on 6S LiPo. Servo wise, it's got an RJX Hobby and it's sporting these Badland tyres by Proline. Alright, let's take it out for a rip. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Make sure you check out Kev's RC Basher School down in the description box down below. See you soon, bye.